about the vignette look. I like it when it just sort of fades off to the left and right. And so this is great. You're already into your prickly pear, and we're just about ready to do our first drips of the day. Dripping.
I know.
Okay, go for it. Push it. Push that thing. Harder, harder. Now you got your drips going. What do you think? Yep, now we're going into red rock color. We're going to create some more windows. Nice job there. There you go, Linda. Always have to start out flat, and then we tip the thing up and just push it. Getting ready to do more drips now. Yeah, what do you think? Let's move into those gorgeous shadows. We've created kind of a purpley, reddy color. Go ahead.
This is a lot of fun.
Oh, good. I'm glad you're having fun. That's the whole idea. Drip time. Wow. Look at it go. You like? Yeah?
Yeah. Those didn't come out.
You can add some more water to them, or if you don't want
I
them
don't
to
think
drip.
I put them there because that's from where
Oh,
the
that's
branches are going to be.
right. That's your shadow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Ah. Halt, everyone. We have shrubbery ahead. Okay, now we're moving into the prickly pear, laying it flat. There you go. You want to cover the whole pad, each one, and just do it fast. Using the point of the brush, and we're pulling on the left side to create a shadowy look. Yeah, there you go. Okay, we're gonna just let that dry. And actually, is it okay if I do just a tiny bit to your piece? Instead of being quite so defined, I'm gonna make it a little bit watery so it bleeds. It hasn't bleed. You know, this is bleeding. These are
yeah,
not.
I like that better. I noticed that.
So it's already pretty dry, so it might not bleed too well, but how's that, you think?
That's better.
Yeah, this one's your most perfect one.
Yeah.
That worked out really good. Oh, we want to probably do this. Okay, now let's create some green drips. And I like the darker color, don't you? Maybe we should add some more of that dark color to your green palette. Beautiful. Nice, dark.
That looks really good.
Sort of a teal, huh? You like? You like?
I like all this down here.
Yeah, it's fun. Thank you, Mother Earth. Since
I worked at the hospital.
Oops, here comes the wind. Oh. Okay, that's okay, because we're going to put more splats up there too. Here we go. So get really close to the page.
Kind of like here and there.
Yeah, closer to the bottom of the page where all the drips are though. And then we will put some up in the actual red rocks. Splatting away. Yep, really close to your page. There you go. Streaks are good. Streaks are fine. Get some more in your prickly pear too. There you go. Get it closer to the page. Ooh, it's trying to go away. Yep. And even up into the sandstone now. And it's okay that it goes up into the sky. Closer to the page.
And up in here too.
Yep. Going for the green splats. Here we go. Closer to the page. She's an expert splatter. She just went to her childhood. Go for the signing. Yay, go Linda.
And above that?
Well, I usually do it to the right and above, but you can put it wherever you like, the date. Just... Again?
I really learned a lot today.
In the 2 hours?
In the 2 hours. This is what I wanted to learn, and I learned it.
Aw.